50 interview question, ransom note, in which we have to give in two strings ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed from magazine and false otherwise. So basically, it's basically easiest to look at the examples. So A cannot be constructed with B, so you return false. AA would also return false because there's only one A. This one would return true even though there would be one B left over. So I'm going to look at that. So in this example, you would see this. You would store this in a dictionary, the magazine letters. And actually this should be like this. And then you would see A, there's one A. So then be 1, you would lowercase, and then you would say 2 A's, and then it'd be 0, and you would return true because it can be constructed. There's one B left over. So in order to solve this, you store each letter in the magazine. So for M in magazine, if M not in dictionary, so if it's not in there, you would store it. You would do dm is equal to 1. You make 1. Else dm plus dm plus equals 1. You would increment by 1. So this would create that dictionary. Now we have to delete the ransom note letters. We have to use them. So for R in ransom note, I did not spell that right. Oh, I did spell it right. So for our ransom note, so you do if R, so this is the slow way to do it. If R not in dictionary or dr is equal to 0, you would return false. So if we have a ransom note letter like A that's not in B, it would return false. Or if it hit 0 and ran out, it would return false. This is the fastest way to do it because it only uses one event, but it's kind of confusing and not readable. So then else, you would do dr minus equals 1. And if everything runs through, you will return true because we've made a dictionary. We use all ransom notes. If it solves like this. Oh, I forgot the word N. Sorry, for M in magazine. And it passes with 59%, 60% run rate. I'm going to show you one little thing. This is confusing, but this is technically the fastest way to do it. It's just kind of confusing to read. Basically, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to check if it's 0 or it's going to return 0. And this generally gets a 100% return. When I did it before, it got a 100% runtime. Let's try it one more time. 76. So yeah, makes it a lot faster. If you have any questions, let me know. This is the most simple example in the top 150 using a hash map. Thanks for watching. Bye.